In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an accountant's copy in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your company, then you want to go to the top left and click on a file, and then you want to go to Send Company File, Accountant's Copy, and you want to click on either Save File or Send to Accountant. So to create an accountant's copy, we're going to click on Save File right now, and then over here you have to select how you want to do it. I'm just going to pick Accountant's Copy and click on Next, and then here you want to select the dividing date. I'm going to do like 4 weeks ago, and then here I'm going to click on Next, and it's going to say it must close all windows to create an accountant's copy. There we go, it closed them, and now you basically have to select where you want to put this. So I want to actually put this into my downloads folder over here, and I'm going to click on Save, and there we go, it's going to start creating your accountant's copy file. Please wait, and there we go, it says you've successfully created an accountant's copy file. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.